Really often from developers I hear that business doesn't want perfect code nowadays because we have AI. So let's check if it's true or not. So what is the reasoning here? Developers are saying that generating the code with AI is super cheap, and this is true. This is why it doesn't really make sense to generate good code. We just need to throw whatever will work to production and it's fine. And it's fine because we can easily update it later with AI again. And then they're telling you that wipe coding is cool and other weird stuff. So my question here would be, what is perfect code at all? We typically mean by that we have a component that is reusable and all properties of it is covered, for example with TypeScript, and it is bulletproof for the future. Nowadays, obviously with AI you can generate this component with shortcuts like using any or without using interfaces, just fine. But my question here, why would you do that? If AI can generate the code for you really fast, why not to generate the perfect code? And obviously it makes slightly more effort because you need to write better queries to cover edge cases, error messages, loading and so on. But essentially you are not writing this code yourself, you are not even spending time of that. By spending 1 or 2 more minutes to write a better prompt, you are getting perfect code which will be bulletproof for the future. I see zero reasoning to generate bad code with AI, it does it for you anyway. So if we are generating a button, I would write at least generate a basic button component, expand it to support variants like primary, secondary, danger, sizes, loading state, proper TypeScript types. Match the pattern and you can show some example from your code. It literally costs you 2 minutes to write this prompt, and you will get your perfect code for this scenario. So before really often for business, we have this mentality that we will write it badly now and deploy to production, and then we will improve it later to make it perfect, and this later never happens. I can totally understand it, we wanted to ship something fast, but now with AI we can ship perfect code with exactly the same speed as bad code. And the win for business here is obviously that your code is more bulletproof, you need to do less changes, and it is easier to support and read it. But it is important to mention here that some developers really want to make their code too perfect and too reusable. And even when you are creating some PR, you will get a comment like this could be extracted into reusable hook for better separation of concerns. And from my point of view, it is coming more to the taste side and not really the quality side, because really often when we're making something reusable, nobody will reuse that and it was written for exactly this one specific place. So again, it doesn't really matter if you're using AI or not, you should have a decent level of code, but you should not try to make it too shareable or too reusable. And this is exactly what we are doing in my middle to senior front-end bootcamp. We plan correct architecture and write only the code what is necessary. Having 10 or 20 abstractions just for the sake of abstractions doesn't make this code cleaner. So I always recommend people to have a code on level good enough. It should not have obvious problems like lacking types, handling errors, missing loading states, but sometimes you just don't need to make it more complex than it already is. If you have some string, like for example save 10, it is totally fine, you don't need to make a constant and move it somewhere, because it is used just in a single place. Your code won't be better if you do that. So simple and slightly ugly code is totally fine, if it can be readable and supportable for the developer later. And this is an extremely important point. If AI produces the code that you can't understand, you are doing something wrong. AI is your tool that can help you, but you are responsible for your code. It is you who will try to fix this code later, and AI can't always do it. So if you don't understand the code that AI produced, you can't fix it later yourself. Now the question is, when do you need to write the code which is good enough and when it should be perfect? Because there are some scenarios where I will highly recommend you to go for the perfect code which is covered with tests and which is bulletproof. Obviously, when you have things which are important, like for example payment systems, authentication or some important API, it makes sense to fully bulletproof it, cover with tests, typings and cover all possible scenarios. If this is just some UI for the user, it can be simply good enough and quite simple. And if you're serious about becoming a senior developer but you think that you lack some knowledge, I highly recommend you to check my middle to senior front-end bootcamp, where I cover senior interviews, testing, architecture, algorithms, improving your code, creating your own projects, and much more. You can find the link to it under the video.